You need your hub surface depth measurement before making your order for the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid spare tire kit. The hub surface depth is the distance from the lowest point of the tire to the hub surface that touches the kit. This ensures that the tire is raised high up enough so that it does not touch the hybrid power cable. When installed, the lowest point of your tire will be right above this hybrid power cable, but not touching it. That's why it's important to get your hub surface depth correct so that your tire sits as low as possible as to not raise the cargo floor height too much, but also not touch the hybrid power cable. Measuring the hub surface depth is straightforward. First, take your tire out and place it on the ground and place it in the orientation that you want to install the spare tire in your car. Next, put the ruler down through the center bore hole so that the ruler sits flat against the ground and goes straight up. Next, get the measurement on the ruler from the ground all the way up to the lower hub surface that would touch the kit. In this case, that's about 1 inch. If you want to put your tire in your car in this orientation, measure the hub surface depth by putting the ruler through the center bore hole and having the ruler tip along the ground. Then have the ruler go straight up and measure the distance to the lower hub surface. In this case, that's 5 inches. Every tire is different, so make sure you measure your own tire before placing an order. The optimal orientation for your spare tire in your car depends on the geometry of the rim and the tire itself. The orientation shown here might be desirable when the rim of the tire is actually protruding out past the tire itself so that the metal rim is the lowest point of the wheel instead of the tire. The center bore hole is this hole in the center of your rim, and you can get the diameter with a set of rulers or calipers. In this case, it's 66.3 millimeters, and that's used for the tire hold down, which fits snugly in the center of the rim.